Sound like it. Oh, he's coming back.
Technically, this is like electronic because she's inside the machine.
Oh fuck.
Did you think you could beat me?
I don't think I can beat you there, buddy. No, don't think I'll beat you. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Not the shit. Not the shit. Oh, he's right there. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit, 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 oh shit. Help. Help. Oh fuck. No. I keep breathing. God damn, he's going after me. Oh shit. Oh shit.
Cowards!
Oh shit, he's here. Hey, I got you a blue intelligent here, Red Heavy. I got you intelligence. It is important for the red team go to win. Yeah, you know. You know I'm gonna do.
There you are. There you are, buddy.
Oh shit. We better run. Better run. Better run. Better run. Oh, he's coming. He's coming. He's coming. He's coming. Oh shit. Oh shit, is he coming? Oh shit, he is. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. I need to escape. Almost there, almost there, almost there. Does he coming? Does he's coming? Oh. That's we ends here. I'll go and do it. Oh no. Oh shit, no. I know when to end up. Don't make me put in there. If I put it there, you will be weakless. No, you better stop. Stop right there. If you move one more time, a red team will win the score to the final, and then you a blue team to be demolished. Don't you dare. So you think about it. Just playing that music. Oh, he stops. He stops. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yeah, we got blue team one now. Red team one. I place it there. No. No.
Did you think you could beat me?
No, impossible. Impossible. How? Oh shit.
I found a horror game on Brick that was actually fire.
I don't have Rogue installed. Oh.
You deleted it?
Yeah.
What is that?
First phase. That's pink. Or purple.
What the hell? Hey. Open this down.
Clanker.
No.
Clanker.
No.
I barely even know her.
No. I don't trust this sussy marine. No.
I'm going to liberate you.
No. No, I just drop pod right here. I just been
Targa.
billed.
No,
Clanker?
you're gonna get liberated.
I barely even know her.
Ah!
He doesn't stop running.
Why are you gonna rape her?
Oh no.
Mail's here. Hey, your mail's here.
He just went out the room. He just went out. He left the room. He abandoned the room. He abandoned the room. Opened the fucking door. He abandoned the room.
I don't like that. I'm trying to escape. They see me on the avatar. Clanker. Damn it. I'm running. Oh no, the space marine gonna kill me. Oh no,
Alright.
not the
It takes a bit of stretching practice to
Oh
figure this
crap,
one
he
out.
might be here. He might be seeing me. Oh sh. Shit. Oh crap, I'm dead end. Have mercy! Have mercy! Have mercy! No. Oh, but they didn't follow me there. Oh my god. No, I swear, if I freeze that game again, I swear to god. I'm alive.
Nope.
Fuck. Shit. Shit. I don't program for this battle. I'm good. I think I lost him. Nope, never mind. He's still right behind me. Shit, meet me, Sentry. Oh, no. Meet me. No. Meet me, Sentry. Mimi, help me! Help me! After the Sentry just run away. I need to back up. I need backup. I cannot handle the big one. The Space Marine. Mimi Sentry, help me. Didn't team up. Oh shit, there's still right behind him. Oh no, niblets you in my keyboard. Oh no. I don't want a program to shut down. I don't program to shut down. I wanted to live. Still after me. I need to hide. Okay, I think I lost him.
going on? Why'd you say, oh? What'd I do?
No, I've been worried about this Space Marine. They almost rip off my head off. Just use me for scrap. You just only calls me a clanker, because I am a robot.
I mean, is he wrong?
Any guys around here? Like, big ass armor?
Yes.
Warhammer type shit?
Where?
Space Marine.
I
They're,
haven't
they're,
seen- I
they're in the
just got
train
here,
station.
I
They're in the
can't help
train
you on that.
station.
But if I see anything, I'll let you know.
I saw one. I see one in the train station they're heading. We'll check and see if they're still there. Guns up,
If they
loaded
wanna be
up.
part of these sites, or if they want to be a part of the Black Templar.
Yeah. The only chapters we do not allow are heresy books. You.
No, no, no,
Oh,
no,
shit,
no,
you guys are
no.
for the Emperor, right?
No, wait. Why can you
I saw
explain?
your ass lurking.
I just wanted to live. I just wanted to live. Where'd they go? They came around the corner. Cause I'm alive. What's going on in there? Okay. Hello there.
Oh, there you are. Hello.
How you been?
I've been good. I was hanging out with my friends, and they had to go.
I was invited you on Discord chat. Wait, is that Casey?
And yes, it is me.
Well,
Oh,
thank you. I was being chased by the Space Marines.
he's online. I just don't know what happened. He was with you.
He was, but he just his thing might be glitched to him.
I don't know if I can. I don't know if I can. Cause I had to take a shower or a bath or something.
Joking. We only tolerate joking racism, not real racism. If you're actually racist,
Fuck. No shit. No. No. Please no.
Get over here,
No.
toaster.
No.
Oh.
Robots, help.
Come
Who
here.
is doing this? I promise you.
Come here.
No, please, no. Don't fucking close the gate on me. No. Oh shit. My back has been cracked.
shut the fuck up. Word. Dog.
No. Wait.
Yes.
Wait.
I'm not waiting.
No. Wait. Help me, join the robot army. Are you using PC? Oh fuck! Help me, please.
Not using PC, I'm using VR.
Please, this bullet's no effect on him. Shit. The bullets.
I'm gonna get you.
You just wear the helmet. You can eat me.
Maybe if it weren't so metal and non-organic. I
No.
would just...
No. Fuck, he followed me. No. No. Shit. I using your PC. Help me, join the fight. Help me.
I'm not using my PC right now.
Fuck! Fuck!
What noise?
Decepticon, help me!
Crazy. Why are they coming after you? What did you do?
I don't know. They want clankers to be rip off in terror. Oh shit, shit. Where the hell? We need backup. Oh no. Oh no, I need an evap. I need the evap.
They call you toaster, Evan.
I need a support.